How you doing? This is Retro Vinny. Today I'm going to show you a COVID-19 kissing mask. I made it myself. Yeah, I know how to sew. See? This mask is made so you can kiss your wife, your husband, your girlfriend, your lovers. You know, the lovers at work, the people that you work with and you cheat on your wives and husbands. You know what I'm talking about. Forget about it. All right, look, I sewed it myself. I got a pair of lips, some nice lips. It's black, it's matching, it's stylish. So you can, I made this so you can kiss your boyfriend, wife, husband, and so you don't catch a COVID-19. Capiche? See those lips? What do you guys think? I sewed it myself with a needle and string. How you like it? Stylish. Forget about it. You like it? Hey, what do you guys think of Trump saying he looks like the Lone Ranger when he wears a mask? He looks like a freaking moron. He could have said Batman, stupid moron. Dumbass. All right, check it out. I got lips. You can kiss and you don't catch COVID. There's chances you might not catch COVID-19. See it? It's like a condom, but a face condom with lips. Capiche? What do you guys think? It's Retro Vinny. Hey, check out my new videos, my Bush Light review, my other videos, 2020 shuffle dance, and check out how to tie a tie, a necktie. You'll learn something. Right, this is Retro Vinny. How you like my mask? Stylish. COVID-19 kissing mask. Alright, this is Retro Vinny with another video. And I'm out. Remember to subscribe, share, and like. Smash that like button with a hammer. Capiche? Hit that subscribe button if you like my videos.